coming out and giving the young people a chance to look at the different occupations and talking to people who have firsthand experience is just vital. We want our kids to have as many pathways as possible. And so I don't want young people to think they're ever pigeonholed into a certain occupation, especially based on where we live, because young people need to be able to dream and have visions.
Career Choice is my favorite event. I enjoy seeing the middle schoolers and the high schoolers engage with companies, businesses, organizations. It is hands-on. They get to experience, they get to ask questions, they get to learn more about companies and businesses, and it also sparks their interest.
We're really here just to spread awareness about the lumber industry. A lot of kids don't know that sawmills are potential, job interests. So I'm really here to show you that, it's not your grandfather's sawmill anymore. Ours is very state-of-the-art, very hands-off, and very, lucrative careers if anybody wants to.
We choose to come to the SOBA event each year because of the interaction and the impression that you get to make on a generation before they're really ready to make their career choice. This is a really pivotal time in their life where they're deciding what's appealing to them. So while we're welding, what we do is actually something called blind bolts, and it's being able to work without seeing what your hands are doing.
Definitely glad we were able to come out here because there are a lot of young impressionable youth out here that are trying to figure out what they want to do in life, and if we can persuade them to come out here and help their community and join the law enforcement, we've done good.
The Career Expo seems like it's a unique opportunity to meet a lot of students of all different age groups, to introduce them to what we're doing at Danville Community College, the Automation and Robotics program. The students brought the vigor, they're very excitable. They light up when they see the robots moving and they want to know more about it. I've had groups of students standing here dancing in front of the robot as the robot's doing its wave. They're matching the tempo and everything, so it's been really cool. It's been a unique experience. I'm glad I came.
Part of the reason public safety comes to the Career Expo is to show what fire and EMS is all about. We're glad to show everybody what we do in the back of the ambulance and answer any questions these kids might have.
We're here at the Career Expo to share with the next group of young people what an exciting career that 911 communications is. We work with a lot of technology, we get to help people, we get to interact with public safety across all fields, and it also offers great compensation and benefits with relatively little input. We provide all the training, and it's a great option that we'd love for people coming up to consider.
And we decided to come out because here you see all these kids interested in learning CPR. We're teaching hands-only CPR on infants and adults. Oh, they're super excited. There's no one there and they're just figuring it out on their own. So we'll give them a little guidance, but they're very excited.